2nd, 2020, and it is our second day of unloading urea fertilizer for the spring of 2021. So we're running our trusty 1135 Massey tractor here, and we've got it on a 10-inch 90-foot auger with a hydraulic swing tub. We are inside the grain bin here. We're dumping out some cat litter. We are putting a bunch of cat food in the bottom of our hopper bottom bins just to kind of keep the moisture from coming up. So in the last 2 days we've unloaded about 550 tons of urea here. And then once the bin's full, we cap it with a little bit of Boss or S15, and it does the same thing. It stops the moisture from coming in at the top. Well, that's the last of 550 tons of urea, so we'll be unloading some S15 here in the near future. I like to screen the fertilizer. It takes the clumps out so that we're not plugging the drill up.